Lean Quick Turn makes it easier than ever to get laser cut, bent, and powder coated parts. All you gotta do is upload your design on their website, pick your material, and hit send. But maybe you don't know much about what material you want, you're new to design. Let's talk about a few of the things available. Mild steel, that's gonna be your cheapest option. It's heavy, it's strong, it's relatively easy to work with, so easy to bend and weld. If you're looking at our site picking the material, it's gonna be 44W. Thicker gauges are going to be 50W. Galvanized steel, much like mild steel, is going to be strong and relatively easy to work with, although it's a little more difficult to weld, but it's gonna handle outdoor environments a lot better. It doesn't corrode as quickly, although keep in mind anywhere that gets welded or gets cut is going to rust on you faster. Much like mild steel, galvanized steel is going to be strong, relatively easy to bend. It's going to be a little bit harder to weld, and you may have to do some post-treatment on those welds. Anywhere it gets cut or welded is going to be more prone to rust, but overall, that extra layer is going to give it some protection in wet environments. Aluminum is going to be the option you want to look at if you want to save some weight. So it's going to be a lot lighter than steel, and it's still relatively easy to work with. Now there's going to be two grades you see on our site. It's going to be 50-52 or 60-61. 60-61 is much stronger. It's going to be more expensive. It's going to be in the thicker materials, but you can't really bend 60-61. It's very prone to cracking. Just like steel, you're able to weld this as well, although welds can be more prone to cracking than on steel, and it's not going to be as strong. Wet environments it handles quite well, but you might want some post-treatment for long-term exposure. If you're looking for a wet environment, outdoor use, you might want to consider stainless steel. It's going to be much stronger, it's going to be more expensive, but it is still able to bend, able to weld it, and it's going to handle wet environments without corroding a lot better. Now with any of those products, if you want to add an extra layer, of course post-treatments like powder coating is going to protect that in a wet environment. So visit leanmachinecnc.com, check out our quick turn site for great Canadian manufacturing.